Hey guys, what is up? I am so excited because I am about to hatch my very first Genopet egg. While I'm recording this, I thought I would record this because, this is a once in a lifetime thing. So, well, 1 in 1,000 anyway at the moment. I think there's 3,333 total Genopets, and there will never be more. So yeah, this is a very exciting moment in time, so I wanted to record it. Here goes nothing. So I bought a Genopet egg today, which was so exciting. I bought it here on magiceden.io. After shopping around, I found that they were the lowest there, and I now have it sitting in my Solana wallet here, along with my other NFTs that I have. So there's my Genopet egg. I'm so proud of having this, and these are two other assets I bought in Star Atlas, which will come in handy later. But anyhow, today we're going to mint my Genopet egg. So here goes nothing. Summon my Genopet. Very, very exciting. Breathe, okay? Trust your instincts. Choose. Explore or conserve? What should we do? I feel like exploring. Let's choose flow. Oh, this is so exciting. Let's choose memes. Let's choose explicit. I have no idea what these choices mean. I'm just going with act. Processing. Please sign to confirm your responses. All right. Sign message. I wonder what it's going to birth into. The egg number that I bought was 1966 as well. So, click to summon Genopet. Here goes nothing. Click to summon. Okay. Here it comes. I never thought. Oh, isn't that amazing? Oh, it's beautiful. It's perfect. Wow. Claim and share. Genesis Genopet 1966. Wow. Isn't that amazing? I had no idea what I was going to get. So to get something that's my favorite color at the moment, purple, is a bonus. So I guess that is that. That is how you mint your egg, and that's the process that they are given birth. Does it have a name? Maybe I need to give it a name. What do you think I should call it? I feel it has a female vibe to it, so what should I call her? I think I might do a giveaway while I'm here, actually. The best name for my Genesis Genopet, the winner, who names my pet the best name, will get access to my DeFi to Riches course I'll give you free access to my course. So I'll give away a spot in my course for free to the person that can name my pet something totally awesome that suits her and you think suits, you know, my personality. Yeah, I'll put it out there, guys. So this is now a giveaway, seeing as I'm feeling so excited. I'm feeling generous. So yeah, so let me know what you think is the best name for my Genopet below in the comments, and I will pick a winner over the next day, the next 24 hours, and the winner gets my course for free, which is retailing for $4.97, DeFi to Riches, a complete guide to DeFi freedom. So knowing everything that I know, I'm sharing in my course. It's a complete video course, and you also get my, support in a chat group, Telegram chat group. If you ever need one-on-ones, I'm there to help you just with any questions, and I'm constantly dropping gems and new IDOs all the time. And after, I show you how to fish because I want you to be able to do it yourself. But yeah, so I'm basically there. That's what my course is about. Everything that gives you, the freedom to do what you want. So through DeFi. So, yeah, good luck. And, may the Genopet force be with you. I will post a video after this about how to get into Victoria VR, and I'll make that public for everyone. And that is also very time sensitive. It's 24 hours to get into that IDO. So stay tuned and good luck.